Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the League of Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to log in, you will need to have created an account for Riot Games and you will need to download the Riot Client software as well. So open up your web browser and then type in riotgames.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you visit the website, click on the sign in button to create a new account if you haven't done so already from the create account menu. After you have created your new account, just click on the Riot Games scroll down button at the top left corner and then click on League of Legends. This will then take you to the League of Legends page where you can click on the play for free option, which will download the Riot Client application. Once the client application is downloaded, you can open it up to install it, and after the installation is completed, go ahead and launch it, and now you will be asked to log into your account. In order to log in, just proceed forward with your username and your password, or you can also use your social accounts. After choosing your social accounts or entering your email address and your password, just accept the license agreement, and now you will be logged into your Riot Games account. After you have been logged in, you can complete the installation of the League of Legends game, and once the installation is done, you can simply open up the game and you can start enjoying it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on League of Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.